Downwind Tower, Skyhawk 348 Mike Echo, inbound 1,800.
Skyhawk 348 Mike Echo, Downwind Tower, Roger, proceed to South Coast Plaza for now.
To South Coast Plaza for 348 Mike Echo.
Number 8 Mike Echo, copy this traffic. Now 2.5 mile final for the choose right to an Airbus at 1,100. Let me know when that traffic insights.
Searching 348 Mike Echo.
Delta 1377, there's multiple aircraft on the left coast traffic patterns. The closest one, Smithville, left downwind for the parallel Cessna 1000. They will have you inside to maintain the visual separation. Additional traffic's 2 o'clock in about a mile and a half. They'll follow you at Cessna 172 at 1,500.
Delta 1377.
Traffic inside 348 Mike Echo.
Mike Echo, Roger. You can turn left to downwind, and number 2 to follow that Airbus. Caution wake turbulence, so we choose your right, clear to land.
Down to the downwind, and then 20 right, clear to land behind the Airbus 348 Mike Echo. HB1 at the shoreline, like to move to east side patrol.
HB1, Roger. Approves request zone altimeter 297, contact the tower on 119.9.
HB1, Roger.
Delta 1377, turn left at Echo and contact ground on 120, we'll make it there.
Good day.
This night, Mike Echo traffic, midfield left downwind for the parallel runway to Cherokee at 1,000.
Looking for traffic 348 Mike Echo.
One Sierra Echo, cross over the control tower at above your present altitude and contact the John Wing Tower on 119.9.
Over control tower at 119.9. 1 Sierra Echo.
Over 1 Sierra Echo Tower, you still on? Wagon 64, proceed down runway 20 right from taxiway Lima.
Proceed on 20 right from Lima, Wagon 64.
This 8 Mike Echo, say parking.
I'm going to go Dove Street if I could, please. 348 Mike Echo.
Number 8 Mike Echo, Roger. You can roll down to taxiway Echo, please, and left there and contact ground on 120.8.
Down to Echo and exiting, and then over to ground for 348 Mike Echo.
And Wagon 64, just follow the Cessna down the runway, please, and then you can make the left turn on taxiway Delta.
Follow the Cessna, Wagon 64.
The 1240 is up.
And then 1240 John Tower, Roger.
John Tower says 3610 Echo on final.
The 3610 Echo John Tower, 120 right, continue for now, traffic will hold in position.
Alright, continue, 10 Echo.
United 1240, turn on to Lima and hold short, 120 left.
Hold short 20 left on Lima, United 1240.
5795, short of Lima.
So 5795 John Tower, I'll get you going here momentarily.
Okay, I think I stepped on you. Delta 1757 will hold for the Delta airplane behind us. Push back tail north when able.
Delta 1757A, affirmative, and push back north enough to allow company aircraft to go into gate 3.
Okay, we'll do that. We'll push back far enough for company in. Delta 1757. John Wayne Ground Sky, 348 Mike Echo, clear 20 right at Echo for Dove Street.
November 348 Mike Echo, John Wayne Ground, taxi to Dove Street via Alpha.
Dove Street via Alpha, 348 Mike Echo.
Ground 882 Delta Sierra has a Diamond Star on the west side taxi to the wash rack.
Diamond Star calling John Wayne clearance delivery, say the call sign, and where are you currently?
On the west side near leading edge avionics. I'm at Diamond Star DA40. 882 Delta Sierra to the wash rack.
November 882 Delta Sierra, John Wayne Ground, taxi to the wash rack via Bravo.
Wash rack via Bravo 2 Delta Sierra.
Ground Wagon 64.
Wagon 64, John Wayne Ground.
Off the right at Delta, I'd like to proceed Alpha Hotel, Charlie for the left.
Wagon 64, proceed via Alpha, Hotel, Charlie, and hold short of Lima.